Hey y'all, Ashley K here, back with another video. And I know you guys see me in my last video in this sweater, okay? Don't come for me in the comments, boo, okay? Today is a filming day and I'm trying to clock these videos out for you guys. Today's video is actually going to be how you can double your sales on FIVERR. I've been getting so much emails about FIVERR and how to make money on FIVERR, okay, you guys? You guys have been asking, and I am going to deliver on how you guys can double your sales and make money on your shops, even more money on your shops on FIVERR. I got y'all, okay? I'm gonna share with you guys some tips on how you guys can increase your sales, make more money. And if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on lifestyle. I specialize in videos on money tips, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget-friendly life, okay, you guys? I get you guys all the way right on this channel when it comes to making money tips, everything you need to know that is popping, that can make you some money in your pocket. So if that's something you are into, be sure to subscribe to the channel. The link will be down below. It's free to subscribe, okay? You should have done that already. Make sure you follow me on my socials if you are not. And yes, now that that's out the way, let's get into the main meat of this video. The first tip I actually want to share with you guys on how to double your sales on FIVERR. You need to make sure your FIVERR shop or whatever you're selling on FIVERR is a reasonable price. I've been looking at some of your shops online, okay, because I do my research. When you guys email me, I go ahead and check out your shops and see what's going on with them. And yes, I've been seeing a lot of people have been charging like $500 to do like a t-shirt design, like $300 to do this and that, and your market audience is only charging like $20-$30. Okay, you have to be smart when it comes to selling your items on FIVERR. If you do not know what FIVERR is, I actually have a video talking about the whole FIVERR process and setting it up. I will link it above in the cards so you guys can check that out before you check this video out, okay? So there's no confusion. But anyways, yes, you don't want to be selling over the amount that your competition is selling, okay? Because that just makes you look like you're trying to scam and you're wilding out. Like, you definitely want to be selling your items in the same market region as your competition, okay, you guys? You don't want to be selling over, because then people will not ask you to do a job, and you don't want to be selling under because you don't want to be short selling yourself. You have to kind of do your research, look up other people that are in your field that you're trying to sell, check them out, okay? And whatever price they got going on, then you go ahead and set that price for yourself too. And or you can even sell it cheaper. I would suggest doing cheaper in the beginning so you can kind of stand out more, and then kind of raising your price as you get customers. That's the best way I would do it, just to be smart and stuff. But yeah, don't be overselling, okay? Like, don't overprice your items and make it crazy expensive, because then you won't get any traffic to your store, and then it will just be a wrap for making money, okay, you guys? So that's the first tip. Make sure you are selling at a reasonable, affordable price, okay? Because you don't want to be duping people out here. That's not what we're trying to do. The next tip that I have for you guys is to make sure you have a bio, okay? And make sure you have a popping bio. Some of the shops that you guys have don't have any bios or any description about what you're offering, what you're selling, and that doesn't make any sense. You need to know what type of items they're selling, what type of items you're offering, who you're offering to, blah blah blah. You need to have some type of description going on your site or on your shop. Explain what you offer. You don't have to do a whole elaborate paragraph, whatever. Just explain what you're offering. Keep it short, sweet, concise, and efficient, okay? Just say what you're offering, say how much you're charging, say the services that you do. Be very clear on the services that you offer. Don't like be elaborate and say you do all this elaborate stuff, and then when someone pays you, you cannot do it. Be specific on what you offer, what you can do, what you cannot do, and then it clears up any confusion on when somebody is sending you a request to do their services, and yeah, you be all confused. So make sure you are clear, concise, efficient, and it sounds pretty good, okay? So make sure those 4 things are basically what you could do. And you could just basically say, hi, my name is Bob. I offer t-shirts designs, okay? I can do graphic designing for you, very simple graphic designing for you at a reasonable price. And you could just put the time frame that you are offering, which goes to my next point. Make sure you put a reasonable time frame as to where you can turn out your sales. It's about 2 days that somebody can request to, You can do it longer, but I would suggest like 2-day minimum is what you want to do, because you want to basically have a fast turnout of when people give you the services. You can be able to pump it out pretty fast, because time is what sets you apart from a lot of different competitions. A lot of people can pump out their sales pretty fast, so you kind of want to be efficient around it and respect people's time, because they're expecting you to do things, services, you know, at a good time. So make sure you can be able to do the service at a reasonable time, and kind of work with your customer and explain why, or you know, just give them a good time frame, so they're not waiting weeks and months to get their services from you. Like, have a reasonable time. Make sure you set time, you know, have a schedule, do a calendar on when you have your sales being turned out, and when you need to submit your sales for this person. Be very efficient, okay, you guys. It's like running your own store, so you have to be very efficient and on top of your sales. That's how you make the most money, is being planned and efficient. And another thing I want to say is make sure that everything is in, you know, looks professional, is in working order, everything is spelled correctly. Check over your work. It's like how you would do in school. You would check over your work before you submit it. Make sure you check over your shop before you submit it to people, because it's gonna look really ghetto okay, you guys, if you just write any and everything and you just expect people to buy and shop with you. Like, you have to be very smart. Make sure your shop looks professional. Make sure it's detailed. Make sure, you know, you pay attention to detail, all the little words that you want to use. Make sure they're spelled correctly, grammatically put together, and you know, make sure it just looks presentable. That's the basic thing. You want to make sure your stuff looks presentable, actually looks real, and doesn't look like somebody just botched it together, and you know, yeah, that's not gonna work. So make sure you really think about what you're doing. Make sure you really think about how you're putting your time and effort to your shop, and make sure everything's concise and it just looks good. And another tip I want to offer you guys is make a actual demo video. If you actually have a demo video showing the work that you do and showing the stuff that you can do, just something simple, it doesn't have to be super elaborate. I actually show you guys how to make little demo videos and stuff, and kind of save that and put that to your Fiverr shop. I showed you guys how to do that in my last FIVERR video, so you definitely want to check that out, on how to just make a quick little demo video. You can put like 3-4 pictures together, write little text on the photos, and then put that up as a demo video. It doesn't have to be super elaborate. You could just take a few super professional, you know, you could just take a few pictures on your phone or wherever you have. Just take a few pictures, put it all together, add some music, and boom, you got a demo video. Like, it's very easy to do. You just go ahead and put it up on your channel, put it up on your FIVERR channel, your FIVERR shop, and then you keep it pushing. Just have some type of video content. Some people are visual shoppers, so they just like to see stuff before they actually spend their money. So definitely go ahead and put up a demo video if you can on your shop, and it just makes you stand out amongst other people, because you just want that extra mile to film a video and extra mile to put some video content on your page. And the last thing that I want to tell you guys on how to make your FIVERR shop stand out even more is to actually promote yourself. And I know you probably is like, oh, okay, like I already knew that. You get more sales if you do promote yourself. I'm just saying, you guys. And FIVERR makes it super easy for you to actually share a link. They actually have links where you can actually share on your social medias. You can share it to your Facebook. You can share it to your Instagram, wherever you want to put it. You can share your link to services that you can do. Okay, you guys, shamelessly promoting yourself is the way to get you paid, okay? And scam money don't make no money, so that's just how you gonna have to do it, okay, you guys? So, and the way you can actually do it on Facebook is you can actually look up Facebook groups that are in your niche. So if you are doing t-shirt designs, you can actually join Facebook groups that actually specialize in t-shirt designs or graphic designs. Just go ahead and join the group, and a lot of these groups are very free to join. Just go ahead, join the group, okay? Make little friends in the group, do a little kiki, whatever, talk, and then you kind of just watch and see, okay, somebody may put out, oh, I need a graphic designer to do a t-shirt design for me, and I need this and this to do this and this. So you just go ahead and comment back, you know, comment back and say, hey, you know, I actually design t-shirts on FIVERR. Check out my FIVERR shop. Here's my link, blah, blah, blah. Okay, just kind of drop the link in there. Okay, just drop your link. You know, don't go spamming people. Okay, you guys, there's a difference between shamelessly promoting and spamming. There's a fine line between that, and you don't want to get kicked out. So you don't want to just right away start sharing your link everywhere as soon as you get into groups, because then they'll just kick you out right away. But, you know, make friends, do a little chat, do a little kiki. It's gonna to take a little bit of time for you to gain the traffic, because they have to trust you and feel like you're not a bot trying to like sell a whole bunch of stuff to people. You kind of have to build these relationships. Once you do that, you're in. Okay, you guys, just kind of put a little effort, talk. Oh, hey, like, are you looking for a graphic design? I actually have a Fiverr shop. Okay, check it out. Like, you know, check out my Fiverr shop. Put the little link. Boom, boom, boom. Connect 2 and 2, make 4. Like, you're gonna have to go ahead and really go out there and really make some money. Okay, really make some friends, you know, and then make you some money. Them friends can make you some money. Okay, so yes, go ahead and shamelessly plug yourself. If you have an email list and you know you have a friend that could be starting up a business, hey girl, you know, I actually have a Fiverr shop and I actually, you know, do graphic design. You may not be a graphic designer, but like I showed you guys, it's very easy. Anybody can be a graphic designer these days. So yeah, okay, so go ahead and yeah, pretty much be like, okay, I have a Fiverr shop, I do this and that, and I could give you a simple t-shirt design. Voila, okay, money comes rolling in. So these were just a few tips that I have for you guys on how to just boost your sales even more. Definitely try 1 or 2 of these tips, and I'm telling you guys, your sales will increase, okay, over time. You just have to be patient. It's like running your own store. It's not going to be overnight, okay, you guys, and nothing is overnight anymore nowadays. So you have to put some effort into doing some work, okay, you guys. So yes, that's all the tips I have for y'all today. If you guys have any questions, be sure to put it in the comments below, and I will definitely try to respond to each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next